Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play EA Sports PGA Tour. First, navigate to the main menu and select Quick Play to jump right into a round. Choose your golfer and a course that suits your skill level. The game offers various difficulty settings, so pick Amateur for the easiest experience. This ensures you can focus on learning the core mechanics without too much pressure. Get ready to hit the links. To execute a basic swing, first use the left analog stick to aim your shot towards your target. Once aligned, pull back the right analog stick smoothly to start your backswing. Watch the power meter fill up. Then, push the right analog stick forward with a steady motion to hit the ball. Timing is key for a straight shot, so practice this motion to get a feel for it. You'll be hitting perfect drives in no time. The game offers several shot types, but for an easy method, stick to the basic full shot for most situations. You can adjust the power by how far you pull back the right stick. For shorter distances, like approaching the green, try a pitch or chip shot. Always pay attention to the wind indicator on screen. It shows both direction and speed. Adjust your aim slightly against the wind to compensate and keep your ball on target. When playing, always aim for the widest part of the fairway to avoid hazards like bunkers and water. On the green, take your time to read the break of the putt. The grid lines will help you visualize the slope. Practice your putting in the training mode to shave strokes off your score. And hey, while you're enjoying the game, remember to stay refreshed. Check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.